In this video, I will teach you how to set up a campaign on Lusha. This is a simple way to organize your leads and outreach for sales or marketing purposes. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to the website lusha.com on your browser and you log in with your account. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your email. And once you log in, you'll be on the Lusha dashboard. To set up a campaign, you just have to click on the Campaigns tab in the menu, and this is where you can manage your leads and start a structured outreach process. Next, you just have to click on Create Campaign, and you'll be asked to give your campaign name. Something descriptive like Q for leads or marketing outreach. This helps you organize multiple campaigns at once. And after naming your campaign, you need to add leads. And since we are using OneDrive as a substitute for SharePoint as well, you can first export or save your leads list from Excel into OneDrive. You can go to OneDrive.com, log in, and upload your Excel file containing your leads. So back in Lusha, you just have to click on Import Leads and select your file from OneDrive. Lusha will automatically process the data and add it to your campaign. Make sure you double check that all the columns match like names, emails, and company. And once your leads are imported, you can set campaign rules such as scheduling, follow-up, emails, or messages. Lusha allows you to personalize messages for each lead, which improves engagement. Then finally, review all the settings and click Start Campaign. Your campaign will now be active and Lusha will track interactions like email opens and clicks, helping you monitor your performance. So you just have to always double check column headers and formatting when importing to avoid errors. And Lusha campaigns are best for structured outreach and tracking your progress efficiently. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.